Hi, this is Jonathan King from K2, and today we're going to look at a K2 worklist example on Windows 8. As you can see here, we have our K2 logo. Let's make that a little bit bigger, and let's drill into the application. The application itself is powered by the same set of services that drive our existing mobile applications, and it's been designed in such a way that it is available both online and offline. First thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our settings are correct. So we can come to our charms, come to our settings, and see our available settings, our credentials, where our services live, etc., what auth type we want, and of that nature. Then we can move on and we can see the actual application itself. We can see the worklist items down the left hand side here, and as we go through and select each of our worklist items, we can see that we'll get a variety of information relating to those items. So we can see on the first pane some summary information about the process activity, the worklist item. We can open it up, we can see the available actions. As we scroll sideways, we can see we can delegate or redirect. We'll have a look at that in a moment. And then we can see some more specific information around who the originator was, the process details, the activity itself as well. And then we can also see some nice charts relating to when we've received our worklist items, how they're broken down by category, etc. And just really a summary of the information regarding our worklist. When we want to work with our worklist items, it's pretty simple. We can select one as we've done here. We can then come and select an action. So in this case we can say, oh, actually the project site is approved. Come to our app bar, select action. It's now been added to our pending or our outbox, and we can actually bulk action items as we go through. Additionally, perhaps we want to come and select another action here, and we don't want to necessarily complete the worklist item. We actually just want to delegate it. So let's delegate it to John. Does a search, select our user, and we're going to delegate the action. Again, we can see now our pending items are currently 2. Some other functionality that exists on this page includes just being able to search across our various items. Really simple, clear the search, returns our full list. We can obviously just come and do a refresh of our work list, which you can see we've actually added some additional worklist items after that refresh. We still have our 2 pending items here as well. And if we want to move to more of a full screen mode, we can click on the K2 icon. That'll remove the list of worklist items, and we can now focus solely on the individual worklist item we've selected. Come back again, we can see those items. When we're ready to action the items we've selected, very easy, we can come and select the sync item here, or we can even move to our pending area, which will show us the pending items that we've selected. So here's the action, here's the delegate waiting for us to sync back to K2. It'll also give us a list of, or a summary of the items we synced last time and whether they were successful or not. So you can see last time we synced, we had 1 action that was completed. Additionally, if we had multiple items, it will show us that. So let's go and do that now. So let's come and sync. It sends those tasks, those pending items back to K2. Gives us a summary to say they were both successful. So we've delegated that task to John. We've actioned that particular worklist item. And now we can move back to our previous page, and we can see all of our items there. So just a quick example of how you can use Windows 8 and our existing services to create a Windows 8 K2 worklist. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.